Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. Here's what we expect as far as our normal high and low temperatures. Today, normal low is in the mid 60s, normal highs in the mid 80s. As we head towards Halloween, everything gets pushed down. Our normal lows drop into the mid 50s and normal highs in the lower 70s. For Thanksgiving, you can see we start really cooling off. Close to 50 is our normal low temperature for Thanksgiving. A normal high is about 70. And for Christmas, normally we should see lows in the mid 40s and highs in the mid 60s. So everything is headed down as far as the normals. Across our region, in wake of this morning's cold front, a much drier air mass has filtered on into our area. This low, which helped push the front through because of the northerly winds, is going to set up over Arkansas through Thursday. That will induce northerly winds and keep us in a very comfortable weather pattern. Then as we head towards the weekend, high pressure aloft builds into southeast Texas, and that will keep the dry weather over our area. The dry weather will persist, but it also means high temperatures going up a bit. As far as the longer range forecast, as we head on into Monday of next week, we have quite a bit of difference as far as the next disturbance, when it will push through. This first model shows it on Monday evening over towards western Kansas, and the other one, or Sunday night, has it over towards Albuquerque. So there's quite a bit of difference as far as the timing and placement of this next disturbance. Yeah, we do think this red one will also move off towards the north, but it may be further south. So until these differences get ironed out and we see more of a consistent forecast at this point, we'll just go with a maybe 20% coverage Sunday night into Monday in the extended forecast. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, as far as the shear goes, I think the Gulf of Mexico is closed through this week. Westerly winds, very strong westerly winds. You're just not going to get anything in the Gulf like that. Speaking of the tropics, we're going to be saying goodbye to Sam as it becomes extra tropical over the next 12 hours, if not sooner, as it moves off into the northern Atlantic. This little disturbance has a 10% probability off the southeast U.S. coastline, but with the front over the southeastern U.S., I don't think it's going to be an issue for us. Pretty convinced of that, actually. Tonight, mostly clear skies are expected under, well, temperatures in the lower to middle 60s. Looks pretty good. North winds becoming calm. So you may need something, a few of you may need something on your arms in the morning, but tomorrow afternoon should be an award-winning forecast with highs in mid-80s under mostly sunny skies with low humidity. So on the Gulf of Mexico, looking pretty good if you want to do some boating, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast and a north wind at 5 to 10 knots. So tonight, mostly clear and cooler. Again, some of you may need a light jacket in the morning, lower 60s lakes, mid-60s triangle. Warm up very nicely coming up tomorrow afternoon with low humidity. Should be very comfortable. And don't see a lot of change for the next couple of days. In fact, normal temperatures are expected for a change with lots of sun and dry weather persisting through Friday. As that high begins moving in, we may start inching up on those high temperatures. Could be close to 90 by the weekend. But at this point, we'll go with dry weather conditions through Sunday. May have to increase it to a chance of showers depending on that next disturbance. But once you see those lows around 70, that should be the signal to tell you, yeah, it's going to be humid. And at this point, because of the uncertainty, we'll just go with a 20% coverage on Monday, but may have to increase it. Otherwise, looks like mainly dry weather conditions, at least through the next 5, maybe 6 days across the area, with near normal temperatures, at least through the next 2 to 4 days. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com/weather. Hope you and your family have a wonderful Monday evening.